Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Yesterday, Appa actually made some deep fried meatball, but I have some leftover meat paste. So I don't waste the meat paste. Usually what I will do is I will make it into a stuffed tofu, right? So it's a Hakka dish that you can stuff anything that you like. Use your own imagination and creativity. So, this is what Appa is actually using today. Appa has some red chili, bitter melon, also called bitter gourd. This is tau pok, and this is a little bit firmer tofu. Okay, so all we need to do, I have done some over here. All you need to do is just to put the meat paste into all these ingredients here, and you can choose. There are two ways. You can choose to pan fry them until it is cooked, or today Appa is going to steam. Yeah, I don't want. Today I don't feel like touching oil, so I'm just going to steam it, and I will make a sauce for it. Yeah, for you to pour on top of all these ingredients. This is actually my wife's most favorite. Now, as to how, if you want to learn how to make this very flavorful meat paste, I will try to insert that particular meat paste video into this video also, or I may just put a link that you can click on the link and check on it, yeah? As you can see from here, I already done quite a bit. This is just for the sake of demo. So what I normally will use, I will use a butter spread, yeah, a butter spread. Then remove the seeds, yeah, remove the chili seeds. Yeah, make a slit, then remove the chili seeds, and very carefully we put in the meat paste into it. Now, some people will put a lot. Personally, I don't like the meat paste to be too much. I actually like the to be able to eat the veggie more than the meat paste for stuffed tofu. So this is really individual, no right or wrong. This is your kitchen, do it your way. All right. So I won't be putting a lot like some of the restaurant outside. I don't like it to be too much meat in my stuffed tofu. Okay, so this is the chili, bitter melon, very easy. Remove the middle part. Then we put in the meat paste in the middle. Use a butter spread is better because you won't accidentally cut your hand. If you use a knife, a real knife, you may accidentally cut your hand. Actually, Appa almost cut my hand just now with another smaller knife. Yeah. Always be careful in the kitchen. All right, something like this. Then we can put aside. The tau pok very easy. Make a slit also. Then you just insert the meat paste into it. This meat paste also has some veggies, some spring onion, fresh coriander, and also carrots, yeah, and also the jicama. All right, put aside. Last but not least, this is my personal favorite. My wife loves it too. This is the tofu, the firmer type, not exactly tau kwa. Oops, I accidentally cut it open. It's okay, no problem. Let's use the meat to help to stick them out together. Appa is actually very clumsy when it comes to all this. You all can do way better than Appa, okay? Way better. All right, then I shall send all this to the steamer, and then I will show you how to make the sauce very easily. All right, here's the steaming plate. Let's go and prepare the steamer. All right, so the steamer has been preheated to 100 degrees Celsius. We can slowly, carefully put in all the stuffed tofu, and let's steam it for approximately 15 minutes. Then we will go and do our sauce. Very easy. Right, here's for you to have a one glance at what are the sauce or ingredients or seasoning that I'm going to use. First of all, here I have a bit of minced ginger, garlic, coriander root, fresh coriander roots, chili, and salted black bean. Yeah, 4 items here. Then we have some fine salt, a bit of sugar, Shaoxing wine, my cooking apple chicken stock powder. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. A little bit of white pepper, some dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Of course, you need water. First of all, let's give it a little bit of vegetable oil to start with, and let's heat it up. Once you heat up the oil, let's put in all the cut fresh herbs just now. We're going to saute this for a while before we continue. Ooh, already very fragrant. Mainly because of the ginger and salted black bean. We come back shortly. By the way, if you want the salted black beans flavor or aroma to release better, you can actually cosh it up a little bit, yeah, smash it a bit, or mince it a bit up. Then the flavor will release better. I costly give it some chops just now. Alright, now it's already super fragrant. All this combination here is super fragrant. You can use it on a lot of things. First of all, I'm going to give it some Shaoxing wine. Of course, for those who don't take alcohol, you just skip Shaoxing wine, no need to find replacement. Some hot filtered water. Restaurants always tend to use hot water in their cooking so that they won't, whatever they add into the wok or pan, it will not reduce the temperature, yeah? So that your cooking can be more consistent. Tune down the medium-low fire. We're going to give it some seasoning, some oyster sauce. This is a new bottle. Probably about half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon should be okay. A bit of light soy sauce. A bit of dark soy sauce. Not too much. No need to be too dark. Some of my cooking apple chicken stock powder. This will enhance the umami flavor of the dish. That's what chicken powder do, okay? That is the role of chicken powder. A little bit of fine salt, just a little bit. Followed by a bit of sugar. Few dashes of white pepper. Then just bring this to a boil. And we are going to starch it a little bit so that it can actually coat on the stuffed tofu better. Make sure everything is nicely dissolved, especially the salt and also sugar. Right. Now that it is boiling, you can off the fire. Put in some starch solution. Just want to thicken it up a little bit. I think a bit more can. Alright, our sauce is ready. Ooh, very fragrant. And let's just wait for the stuffed tofu to be done. Right, I heard the beep beep sound. It is after 15 minutes steaming. Let's release it. Wow. Wow, smells so good. I can smell my meat paste because I know my meat paste is very aromatic. I know many people will prefer to pan fry, but seriously, it's up to you. You decide. It's your dinner. Let me show you. It's really beautiful. Can you see? Beautiful and very aromatic right now because mainly because of my meat paste. So I'm now going to carefully take out the plate. Wow. Oh, the tofu, toi, toi, toi. Look at how beautiful they look. Very, very nice. So now I'm going to pour the sauce all over the stuffed tofu today. Oh, oh, look at this. Look at this. This is how beautiful it is. Don't you love it? I know my wife will be very happy tonight. Okay? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.